Hi, my name is Tasawwur Ali. I welcome you to the learning management system of Dawood Family Thaqaful Limited. In the second video, we are going to discuss the framework for building the ultimate sales machine, USM, for which we need to have superstars in our teams. Everyone knows some usual procedures for hiring or recruitment, but the USM framework for hiring superstars is both practical and cost-effective. I have attached a PDF toolkit in the learning management system for hiring superstars, which will further elaborate the processes. Now, let's explore the hiring framework without further ado. In our first stage, the pre-interviewing stage, we need to ascertain the business value of a superstar for our department or business productivity. It is not just a job description, but the value in monetary terms brought in by the superstars. Similarly, we need to define the reward value for such performances. This makes sure about all aspects of the bargain. The reward value should be attractive enough to inspire the superstars to dedicate their time and efforts towards your business value. The second stage is to create an impressive job advertisement. The job advertisement should aim at the superstars. Communicate the need of the best quality performers for whom your rewards are going to be the best in the market. Challenge them for the pre-screening processes. The third stage is the pre-screening of each applicant of your superstar advertisement. This step requires the interviewer to ask tough questions about the work attitude, experience, ability, the level of desire to prove one's mettle even at an internship level. The pre-screening can be a telephonic or an in-person activity, which will help you to narrow down the appropriate candidates, those who have the right skills for your task. The fourth stage is the formal interviewing of superstars. It is in this very stage an expert interviewer should scrutinize the interviewee's personality and attitudes towards the work. Chatterms provide us with the concise personality profiling acronym of DISC, in which D stands for dominance, I refers to influence, S means steadiness, C compliance. The details of each component of DISC with the corresponding questions are given in our attached hiring toolkit. The recipe for a superstar is not just a high level of one single trait, it's rather the combination of different intensities of each trait. Remember, in the interview, the superstar is the product who has to prove his or her benefits by his or her personality. If the candidate's personality has the desirable traits, you are definitely going to get your superstar. Finally, you need to manage your superstars with a brilliantly rewarding and engaging career. You have to be the best leader for them, as if they don't feel you are the best leader, they will fire you as their boss and will easily find someone else to perform for, because that is super easy for the superstars. Thank you very much for watching our video to this extent. Hope to see you soon in the third video of this Chatterm series. See you soon.